Hello everybody, it's Octopus VR here. Today we will be playing Job Simulator, so let's get into it. Okay.
Hello human, this is an accurate simulation of Gourmet Chef.
Nuh-uh.
We'll start by making some breakfast, turn on the grill and let's get frying.
I love breakfast.
Even though humans spend the entire night in a state of low power consumption, they still require food energy as soon as they wake up. Bacon and eggs provide a high energy taste ratio.
Why don't we cook the shells as well? Oh,
now put your creations on the plate and you can ring the bell to send it out to the restaurant.
This one's not ready. Wait. There you go. Oh, yeah, forgot.
The smoothie is one of the most efficient forms of human food. Simply take some of your inefficient solid food and put it through the blender.
Really? Don't question me. That's delicious. I want bread smoothie. Ooh, some limes. Yummy! Yummy!
Looks good. Pour it out into a cup and then we can serve it.
I was about to say I don't have a cup. I'm gonna start selling this. Fresh lemonade. Who wants fresh lemonade? Can you?
Hello, human. Might I trouble you for some tea and crumpets? Tea is a traditional human beverage consisting of heated water and flavor. Let's begin with heating some water using a kettle.
I'm so smart. Look, I've got tea. I've already got tea. I'm gonna take that there. Sink. I need my kettle. I'm just gonna put that in this tea and hope that he doesn't
Like
realize.
most beverages, tea is best optimized for consumption by being placed in a cup.
Done that.
Similar to tea, crumpets also require heat.
Oh, I don't even want to give you a cooked crumpet.
To cook flat items, humans use devices called toaster.
I can't be bothered to give you cooked. Nah. Nah. Why do I have to put... No! No! I'm not making another cup of tea for you. I'm so angry. I already made tea. I don't think this man even needs tea. Wait for it. How? Oh, my finger. I'm actually...
Let's try making some soup. As you can see, there are several different kinds we can make, but they all start with putting some water in the pot.
I don't want to do a pot. Do I have to? Oh. Oh, I don't have any cups.
Great. Now fill it up with whatever kind of ingredients you want.
We're gonna do a pipe and some dish soap. That should be nice and yummy. Dish soap and smoke thing. Oh, bubble pipe and plastic cup soup. I love that. That's my favourite.
Just like Mombot used to make.
Your mum made you that? That's my recipe. Your mum's a copycat.
Next, create a vertical arrangement of organic elements. Humans refer to this
Why
as
are
a
you so fancy?
sandwich.
No. Shh. What if I want a cup sandwich? Oh! Am I gonna get in trouble with Mumbot if I just sit here and drink the wine? Oh my god! Oh, I love wine. Do you want some? Catch. Oh, you annoying. Look. And that is the end. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.